G'day, welcome to On The Road Australia. Got a bit of a problem today when I took my Rove, my underwater sub out. Then my chasing reel, it's slipping when I try and wind it in, so I can't wind it in. And also when I try and, a quick release here, when I try and pull it out, the ratchet's clicking, so there's something wrong. So I'm going to pull it apart and we have a bit of a look. So there's a couple of screws here I need taking out, and pretty poor design actually with this plastic on the handle and the ratchet. Where's my little screwdriver? Little one. Try that one. Pop him off. And I'll take the spindle off here. Get the screw out. That should come off, I think. It won't come off. Just got to watch a little key. Little keyway key. And you can see plastic's broken on that. But that's not the problem. Well, there's a problem. I'm still doing that. Why? Don't know why. See if I can move it. So that's turning alright. Oh, okay. Why is it doing that? Gets to a point, it's just slipping. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll glue this, let it dry overnight, and I'll come back tomorrow. See you soon. G'day, I'm back after a bit of mucking around with this today, with this spindle. Oh, by the way, I did glue this arm back onto the shaft properly. Bit of mucking around where the guide was getting stuck around about here, and I couldn't work it out. So I ended up having to pull the front off here, and it's quite easy. Couple of screws in the bottom, and there's a little section you can take off here with a screwdriver, and inside is a little movable guide, metal guide that had a lot of shit on it. Pulled it out, cleaned it up, and now it seems to be all working all right. So I'll put a bit of grease on the shaft, put it back together, and Bob's your uncle. See how we go. Thanks for watching. Short video.